Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2016 Kubota SSV75 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, talk about everything that I know. Then we'll start it up, let you hear the engine, I'll get up close so you can see the pins. We'll run it through its paces, load her up and down, bucket in and out. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer, a used piece of construction, or a used piece of farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for equipment find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2016 SSV75, OROPS, pilot controls, 2-speed, hydraulic coupler, and it's got brand new tires. I cranked it up just a little bit ago, ran it around. Hydraulics are strong, the engine sounds good. There's not really hardly any play up here at all, which there shouldn't be for 400 hours. Like I said, does have the hydraulic coupler up here. New tires, like I said. Rims are pretty decent. As you can see back here, this paint is really good. It's not all scratched up back here. The paint's nice and bright. This, I guess the paint on the loader arm has a little bit of a fade to it, but back here is, down here is pretty bright. A couple little scratches here and there. A couple of scratches there. The back door is pretty straight. There is one dent right there, small dent with a scratch, a couple of scratches here. Top shield's in good shape there. A couple little scratches here, nothing out of the ordinary for a used skid steer. Rim's really good. That rim's really good. Again, back here, paint's really good, not all scratched up. Loader arms are in good shape. I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on either of the loader arms or the back of the skid steer plate. Bucket's in good shape. I don't see any big bows or anything in the bucket. Cutting edge is pretty decent. Come back here and take a look at the engine. Try to get this open. These are a little hard to open with one hand because they put the fuel tank in the back of them. There we go. Which is nice for counterweight. Your diesel tank is right there. It's nice, it adds some counterweight, but it makes that door hard to open with one hand. All right, as you can see here, that engine is very clean. I know it's kind of hard to see, hard for me to get in close here, but that engine is very clean. Nice and dry. Sorry, with my camera setup, it's just hard to get in there real close the way these are positioned in here, but it's very clean in here, very dry. That plastic fuel tank looks good. Go take a look at the operator station here. Couple little scratches here, nothing out of the ordinary. Just a little bit of cement splattered here, a little bit there. That step's got a little bit of a bend to it. The seat, there's just a tiny little tear right here. Other than that, I don't see any cuts or tears in the seat. Floorboard. Your operator controls, your hand controls are both in good shape. Everything looks good on this one. All your buttons over here, everything looks good. Like I said, 442 hours. Everything looks good from back here. Both those cylinders look good. All right, like I said, this is a 2016 SSV75, 442 hours. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.